Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying Beautyblender. So we have the Beautyblender Bounce Foundation, and then we also have the Beautyblender Concealer that we're going to try out today. And so yeah, let's try these out. Okay, so I got these online and hopefully the color is good. Alright, so the Beautyblender, the foundation retails for $40 and then the concealer retails for $26. Alright, we're going to start off with the foundation. Okay, so it says that the foundation is weightless and can be layered from medium to maximum coverage, and it has a velveteen finish. It also has hyaluronic acid and antioxidant-rich white birch extract, which is supposed to be good for the skin. And I think what's really interesting about this is what the product looks like. Okay, so this is what the product looks like. So you hold it like this at a 45-degree angle, so you can already put your product here. It'll like dispense right there, and then you can use your beauty blender to blend it out. And yeah, and I guess if you wanted to mix like two different foundations, you could also like squirt some in here and mix it to get that perfect color. And I got the 1.6W, so hopefully this is a good color for us. And then there's like in the back of this, there's just like this thing to press down so it can dispense product. I don't know what this is for. Maybe it's like to lock it. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, so this locks it, so you can't like press it or anything, I guess, in case you put this in your bag or anything, so you won't have like a huge mess. But if you're just gonna have this on the counter, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so I'm gonna apply the foundation with this new Beautyblender. This just came out, I think, a few weeks ago, and it's like eco-friendly. It's made out of sugarcane. It's called the BioPure Beautyblender. Okay, so just a little bit came out. Alright, so let's see this. Okay, so I think that this color might be a little bit too light for us, because I'm already starting to look like Casper the Ghost. But let's blend it out and see. Okay, so other than the fact that it's a little bit too light for my skin, it actually looks really nice and like seamless. Like, it makes my skin look like it's all like the same. Like, it kind of hides like imperfections, and it looks really nice, but I definitely need a darker color than this. This is like way too white. Okay, so I actually really like how this dispenses on here, and it's kind of like a really easy to clean surface. What I don't like is the fact that product gets stuck right here, like in this little hole, and it's kind of like impossible to clean that out right there, just because it's like inside of there. And I feel like, I don't know, it's just like not aesthetically pleasing. I feel like product's just gonna get stuck in there. I really do like how like the product looks. It looks like very distinguished from like other brands, and it looks really nice. I really wish I got a different color. So hopefully we can get a color that matches our skin a little better, because this one is way too light. Okay, so I actually kind of picked this out blindly, and like just everything kind of looked the same, especially like all the different colors, if you know what I mean. It's like everything literally looks the same. And then I might have to get this in a darker color too. Okay, so I finally went and got a color that more matched my skin. So I went to the store and they actually swatched it on like this clear plastic thing, like and they like matched it to my skin, and she said this was the first one that she used, and she said that this one was perfect. And I usually look at all of the colors and I'm just like, they all kind of look the same to me. So I just go like eeny, meeny, miny, mo, and usually end up with a weird color. So thankfully someone helped me out. This is the 3.20W, and yeah, let's try it out. And then I think I'm gonna squirt it on here instead of trying to blend it on here, because it just gets stuck in this tiny little crevice right there, and it like makes me nervous for some reason. It just gets in there and like stays dirty. Yeah, so if you're getting this, instead of just like squirting it and just like having it drip down, I think it's easier if you kind of angle it and like drip it onto your beauty blender. And then if you want, you can put it down here and just kind of mix it, because it has like this really nice kind of like mixing palette here where you can like, I guess, mix colors in case you're a different color, or if you need to blend some together to get that perfect match. So let's try this one out now. And I will say that I really liked, even though it was really light, the last color, I really liked the way that it felt and kind of looked. Other than the fact that it was light, it was really nice and lightweight. Okay, so honestly, that looks really nice. It actually blended in really nice. It actually looks more like my skin now. It was like way too pale. It was definitely way too pale last time. I think I could have gone a shade darker, but this is actually really nice. It actually looks like it blends in more to my skin color than the other one. The other one was way too light, and it honestly feels really nice how like lightweight it is. It feels like you don't really have anything on. It's also really lightweight, and you can, it's like medium to full coverage, but it makes your skin kind of look really nice. Like you can't even see like little imperfections. Okay, so as you can see, this actually like, it's not dirty and didn't go on the inside, so that's definitely what you need to do so you don't get like little bits of foundation stuck in there and just like building up germs or something. This is actually really nice. I like how it like it stands like this, but you can use it on like sideways. I also like how it has like this pumping this thing right here where you can like pump out as much or as little product as you want. I like how this locks also in the back, so in case you want to put this in your bag, so it's not like, just in case something like presses up against this, you're not like ending up with like a bag full of foundation or anything. Especially if you're like traveling, this is like really nice how it locks. Okay, so next we're going in with the concealer. So this is the Bounce Airbrush Liquid Whipped Concealer. This is in the color 1.6W Light Peach. I don't know if this happens to like every concealer, but like I accidentally flipped it and for some reason I thought like the product was like thick, and a ton of water literally came out of here. I don't know if I got that on camera, but that's really weird. I don't know if this is what the wand looks like. It's like nice and thick at the ends. It's like a clear pink, but because of like the product, you can't really see through it. It's kind of like thicker. It's like thicker at the top, and then it goes into kind of like a more defined shape at the top with a little tip. Alright, so we're going to take our Beauty Blender and blend this out. Alright, so this is what the foundation looks like on. Actually, I think like the ring light is too much because it actually looks really nice and blended in like the natural light. And then I have like open up the lights here, and it actually looks more like it blends in. Then when I have this on, this is a little intense. And I think it actually looks really nice though. Like my skin looks really nice, and it's really lightweight and it feels really nice. It also blended in really easily, especially like the concealer. So the concealer just literally blended in so nicely in case you have any like blemishes or anything, you can like cover them with that. Or if you just want to like highlight like parts of your body, like the tip, like your nose, down your nose, and like your forehead. Okay, so the nice thing about this too is that if you want this Beautyblender foundation, it's actually on sale for $20, and that's like a really great price, especially since it's 50% off. It's almost like the same price as like a drugstore. It's really similar in price, a little more, but. And then this one I think is $20. And they have a ton of colors. Okay, so in terms of the foundation, I really like it. I think it looks really nice on my skin. It looks really nice and matte. And then I haven't even like put powder on it, and it looks really nice. I like how easy it is to... Okay, so in terms of this foundation, I actually really like it. I think it looks really nice, and I'm still gonna like put powder on my face and put that like I can't remember the name, but you spray it so it like locks in place and just be like hopefully flawless all day. And hopefully, well, I used the other one, the one that was a little lighter, all day, and the color definitely stayed there all day, so I'm assuming this one's gonna look exactly the same all day and not like fade or like sweat through or something, or just kind of like rub off. And in terms of the concealer, I think it's really nice. I think it's really easy to blend it. The new sponge, I think it's really nice how it's like eco-friendly and like made out of sugar cane. It's made out of recycled sugar cane. I think it is a little more porous than like the regular original one, but then again you get like this nice sustainable help save the earth, and it honestly works the same, but maybe like more product is absorbed from it, I don't know. But you can see that it has like a lot more holes than like kind of like the regular one, but other than that, it honestly works exactly the same. Thanks for watching my video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you like this foundation. Bye.